Dear students, now we will see statement arguments, which is the second part of unit 3. So here in this type of questions, a statement concerned with either a political or social or economic issue is given, followed by the two arguments, generally one in favor and one in against the statement. So we have to require to analyze the first the statement and then the arguments in context with the statement. Okay, and we have to decide which of the argument hold strong. Okay, so for that purpose we will see examples. So each of the following question consists of a statement followed by two arguments 1 and 2. So we have to give the answer A if only argument 1 is strong, B if only argument 2 is strong, C if either 1 or 2 is strong, D if neither 1 or nor 2 is strong, and if both E if both 1 and 2 are strong. Okay, so first example is statement as should number of holidays of government employee be reduced. This is the question, and arguments are yes, our government employees are having a maximum number of holidays among the other countries of the week, and the second argument is yes, it will lead to increased productivity of government offices. Okay, so the question asked is should the number of holidays of government employee be reduced. Okay, so clearly in the argument 1 there is a comparison with the other countries, which is not the strong point, so we cannot follow the argument 1, or we can say that argument 1 is not hold true. But the second statement is yes, it will lead to increased productivity. If the number of holidays are reduced, obviously it increase the productivity, so we can go with argument 2, means argument 2 is hold strong. Okay, so this is the first example. Second example is should foreign films be banned in India. Okay, and the arguments are yes, they depict an aligned culture which adversely affects our values, and then second statement is no, foreign films are of high artistic standard. Okay, so first argument is it depicts the aligned culture, so that is true, but it does not affect our values, but we can learn from that. So argument 1 does not hold. Second is no, foreign films are of high artistic standard. Okay, so in argument the reason stated in argument 2 is not strong enough for ban of the foreign films. So we can say argument 2 is not also hold strong, so the answer is D. Third statement is should there be reservation of seats and post on communal basis. Arguments are yes, it will check most of the intercommunal basis, and the second no, ours is a secular state. Okay, clearly reservation on communal basis, if the reservation is of seats and posts are done on communal basis, so it will increase the communal biases. Okay, as we have experience also that if the reservation of the seats and posts is on communal basis, then it increase the communal biases. So argument 1 is not hold strong. Second thing is ours is the secular state, right? Ours is the secular state, we follow the secular policy. So the answer so the argument 2 is hold strong, so the answer is B. Next is should young entrepreneurs be encouraged. Okay, this is the statement, and the arguments are yes, they will help in industrial development of the country, and second yes, they will reduce the burden of employee market. Okay, so the first statement is first argument is yes, they will help in industrial development of the country. Yes, definitely, if we encourage the young entrepreneurs, then they will help in the industrial development of the country. So argument 1 is strong. Second is yes, they will reduce the burden of employees market. True. So second statement is also hold strong. So both the arguments are strong, so the answer is E. Fifth example is, should government stop spending huge amounts of money on international sports? Okay, and the arguments for this statement is yes, this money can be utilized for upliftment of the poor, and the second is no, sportsmen will be frustrated and will not get international exposure. Okay, so as sports is the important part of our country, as well as it gives the international exposure, so the first statement is not strong, as this is also if the government is spending the huge amounts of money for international sports, so it's spent on the socio-economic problems. Okay, so first argument is not strong. Second is yes, if government stop spending, then sportsmen will be frustrated and they will not get the national exposure, international exposure. Okay, so the second statement is strong, so the answer for this question is B. Okay, so like we have to read the statement and we have to read the arguments and then decide according to the statements. Okay, so these are the statement arguments.